As Elara's team delved deeper into the labyrinth of the Hidden Alliance's operations, the stakes continued to rise. The coalition had made significant progress in their countermeasures, but the sense of impending danger never fully dissipated. The Syndicate's ability to adapt and evolve presented an ever-present challenge, and every victory was tempered with the knowledge that new threats could emerge at any moment. The discovery of the mole within their ranks had cast a shadow over the coalition's effort. Despite taking swift action to contain the breach, the psychological impact on the team was significant. Trust, once a cornerstone of their operations, was now fragile, and Elara was determined to rebuild it. One evening, Elara convened a team meeting to address the situation openly. The room was filled with a mixture of apprehension and determination as the team gathered. Elara's voice was steady as she addressed her colleagues. "I want to acknowledge the recent breach and the impact it has had on all of us," Elara began. "Our primary focus now must be on regaining trust and reinforcing our commitment to the mission. We cannot afford to let this setback define us." Dr. Aidan Paddle, the cyber analyst who had played a key role in identifying the mole, spoke up. "The breach was a significant blow, but we've learned valuable lessons from it. Our enhanced security measures are already in place, and we're actively monitoring for any additional signs of infiltration." Elara nodded in agreement. "Our next steps involve a two-pronged approach: tightening our internal security and intensifying our efforts against the Hidden Alliance. We need to ensure that we're one step ahead of them at all times." The team's renewed focus on internal security involved implementing stricter access controls, conducting regular security audits, and fostering an environment of transparency. Elara personally met with each team member to address their concerns and rebuild morale. It was a challenging process, but Elara's leadership and sincerity helped to mend the fractured trust. Meanwhile, the Coalition's intelligence division continued to unravel the Hidden Alliance's web of deceit. They identified new leads related to the Syndicate as sleeper agents and their connections within various sectors. The intelligence gathered was used to launch targeted operations aimed at neutralizing these threats. One particularly significant breakthrough came when the team intercepted a communication revealing a planned operation by the Hidden Alliance. The Syndicate intended to disrupt a major international conference focused on climate change, a critical event that could shape global environmental policies. The disruption was planned to create chaos and undermine international cooperation on climate issues. Elara's team quickly mobilized to thwart the operation. They coordinated with local authorities and international security agencies to enhance security measures at the conference venue. Simultaneously, they worked to identify and apprehend the agents responsible for the planned disruption. The day of the conference arrived with heightened security and a palpable sense of anticipation. Elara and her team were on high alert, monitoring for any signs of sabotage or interference. The conference proceeded smoothly, with no incidents reported, thanks to the diligent efforts of the Coalition. The success of this operation provided a much-needed boost to the team's morale. It demonstrated the effectiveness of their countermeasures and reaffirmed their commitment to protecting global security. However, the victory was bittersweet, as Elara knew that the Hidden Alliance would not be easily defeated. As the team continued their work, they began to uncover more about the Hidden Alliance's ultimate objectives. It became clear that their plans extended beyond immediate disruptions and chaos. The Syndicate aimed to establish a shadow network capable of influencing global decision-making processes and manipulating political and economic systems to their advantage. Elara's team intensified their efforts to dismantle this network. They employed a combination of cyber operations, intelligence gathering, and diplomatic strategies to disrupt the Hidden Alliance's activities. Each success was met with a renewed commitment to the mission and a determination to see it through to the end. Despite the challenges, the Coalition's unity and resolve remained strong. Elara knew that the fight against the Hidden Alliance was far from over, but she was confident in her team's ability to adapt and overcome the obstacles they faced. The battle for global security continued, and every step forward brought them closer to uncovering the full extent of the Syndicate's plans. The echoes of betrayal from the recent breach served as a reminder of the importance of vigilance and trust. Elara and her team remained steadfast in their mission, prepared to confront whatever challenges lay ahead. The path to victory was fraught with obstacles, but their dedication to protecting the world from the threat of the Hidden Alliance was unwavering. As the chapter drew to a close, Elara reflected on the progress made and the road ahead. The fight against the Hidden Alliance was a marathon, not a sprint, and each day brought new challenges and opportunities. With the support of her team and the determination to succeed, Elara remained resolute in her quest to secure a safer future for all.